Oh, it's just you. Ooh, you scared me for a second. Okay, but now that I know that it's just you, it's okay. I was just doing some dancing. Yeah, sometimes before Chef Garby makes a meal, he likes to do a little dance to loosen up. Do you like to dance? Well, some of us can dance and some of us are better at it than others. Chef Garby, he's okay. Well, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Silly Chef Garby.
Yay!
What's your name? That's great. Well, if you've been in here before, you know how it works. I love to make amazing, yummy meals and teach you all how to cook along with me. Would you like to cook with me today? Okay, come on. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do today. Now, this is something that I think it's really important to talk about because everybody is different. We're all different and we all have our own things that we like and dislike. Some people can't eat certain foods because they have allergies. Do you know what allergies are? Well, basically, it's when your body doesn't like a certain food, and so you can get sick or really upset when you eat it. So today, we have a request from Melody's mom in Sacramento, California. Melody's mom said that her daughter Melody is allergic to eggs. So she wanted to know if Chef Garby can make some yummy cupcakes that don't have eggs. Well, guess what? I have a delicious vegan vanilla cupcake that we're gonna make today. So people like Melody, who can't eat certain animal products, can eat these cupcakes and enjoy it with the rest of us. All right, I am so excited for you to do this with me. Everybody say, hi, Melody! Okay, are you ready to get going on the yummy cupcakes?
Yay!
All right, let's go! All right, well, I am so excited you're joining us today. Now, for those of you who have cooked with Silly Chef Garby before, you know that we follow two very important rules whenever we make anything. One, always wash your hands. And two, always with the grown-up. Okay? Okay, now let's get started on rule number 1. All right, our hands are nice and clean. Now, we're gonna go ahead and preheat the oven so that way the oven can be warming up while we're making all the ingredients. So, to the oven! So let's go ahead and take a look at the ingredients we're gonna be using in our delicious cupcakes today.
What we're working with. We have a muffin tin lined with paper cups, cake flour, sugar, baking powder, almond or non-dairy milk, vegan butter, apple cider vinegar, vanilla extract, and salt.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and add the almond milk and the apple cider vinegar in a separate cup. And remember, don't forget to shake this almond milk so it's nice and loose. All right, I've got this cupcake batter mixed up nice and smooth. You see it's nice and ribbony, there's no lumps, so we can pour it into the cupcake holders nice and smooth. Now in my cupcake pan, I got these fun little paper liners. We're gonna use a spoon and fill these about half full. Now you can use an ice cream scoop if you want, but Chef Garby's just gonna use a good old-fashioned spoon. Okay, let's get these half full so we can get them in the oven and get them baking. Now, you will probably have a good amount of batter left over, so you can make a second batch of cupcakes or make a cake or freeze it for later, all right? Now, let's get those cupcakes into the oven. I want to start smelling them immediately.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, it's about that time.
Yay!
I just heard the oven timer go off. I've got my oven mitt so I can handle the hot pan. And now we're gonna get the cupcakes out of the oven and see how they look. I'm so excited! Let's go! Oh my goodness, I wish you could smell these. I got a few of these cupcakes onto the plate. They're perfect and moist and fluffy, and they smell so yummy. So what else is there to do? We gotta go ahead and try to eat one of these things. Come on.
No!
What?
You forgot the frosting.
Oh, yeah! How can you eat cupcakes without frosting? Oh, okay. We gotta make the frosting right now. Let's go. Okay, now in order to make our vegan cupcake frosting, we're gonna use this device here called a stand mixer. Now, this is a really cool device, but it's very important that you only use this with the grown-up, okay, kids? This is gonna automatically mix the cupcake frosting for us, and it's able to do so at a certain speed based on how you set it. So like I said, this works really great wonders in the kitchen, but it's extremely important that you only use this with the grown-up because it can be very dangerous, okay? I'm gonna get the ingredients for the frosting in here. Let's make up that frosting and then put the finishing touches on our delicious cupcakes. All right, did your grown-up help you with that? Okay, well, we've got this delicious now homemade frosting we're gonna add to our cupcakes. It looks so yummy. It's nice and fluffy and thick. So what we're gonna do is take this here, and this is called a piping bag. Can you say piping bag with me? All right, so I'm gonna get this frosting into this piping bag so we can get it all on the cupcakes nice and fancy. Let's go. All right, well, you know what time it is. Let's give these delicious cupcakes a try. They smell so yummy, they look so delicious. And again, 100% vegan for all of our friends out there. All right, let's see. Ooh, come down the rainbow cup. Wow. That is a very rich cupcake. I think one is all you need. It came out so good. It just goes to show that you can make cupcakes or any kind of desserts without using any animal products if that's something that you're wanting to do. This is the first vegan cupcake that Chef Garby's ever had, and it is delicious. Tastes just as good as any cupcake I've ever had, maybe even a little better. Everyone, thank you so much for joining me today and making these delicious vegan vanilla cupcakes for our friend Melody. If you want to see Silly Chef Garby make more videos, please like and subscribe to my channel so I can keep making yummy recipes for everyone to enjoy. And as always, grown-ups, if there's a dish that your little one loves, please send it in to this email below and your recipe could be featured on next week's video. All right, from Silly Chef Garby's Kitchen, thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye.